Good morning, students. In the last period, we were learning about the figure of speech named after as onomatopoeia. Yesterday, I have told you the meaning. Onomatopoeia means the word denoting some sound. And yesterday, I have also told you that in the next period, I will give you the list of the objects and what their sounds called. This list will be very beneficial to you to identify onomatopoeic expressions. Now listen here carefully. I am repeating them. Objects and their sounds. The first one, tiger and lion roars. Camel and pig grunts. Snake hisses. Frog drakes. Cat purrs. Donkey brays. Elephant trumpet. Horse neigh. Deer and goats bleat. Fox and hyenas yelled. Bells and coins jingle. Guns and cannons roar. Wings flutter. Fan drone. Cooker whistles. Birds chirp. Cock crows. Hens cackle. Door bang crack. Leaves rustle. Water splashes. Machines groan. Aeroplane zooms. Pages flutter. Shoes shuffle. Cow moves. Oxen bellow. Pigeon whoos. Parrots speak. Mice squawk. Duck quack. Clouds produces thunder. Lightning also produces thunder. Wind howls. Hooves म्हणजे घोड्यांच्या टापा, खूर जे पायावर चालताना टपटप टपटप आदळतात ते hooves. Tramp. Birds twitter. Owls hoot. Chains साखळ्या, लोखंडी साखळ्या. Rattle. रेलगाडी, it also rattles. Peacock mews. In this way there are number of objects. I have given you here some examples, and if you are enthusiastic to learn more, then you should send me the words. I am ready to give you their sounds. Okay? In this way you can identify a number of onomatopoeic expressions. Now we have completed this figure of speech named after as onomatopoeia. थैंक यू. सर्वे सुखिनः सन्तु, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखमाप्नुयात्. ओम शांति शांति शांति.